hey guys, welcome back to another new video, and this is our English channel. We specifically dedicatedly talk about credit cards on this channel, and the new card which has been launched is Diamond Reserve Credit Card, and we are covering this specifically on this channel because this card looks absolutely stunning. To be very frank, it comes on the Visa Infinite platform. Mostly IDFC is giving Visa Infinite cards to everyone on left, right and center. The easiest to get is the wealth card. If you are interested, just in the description there is a link. You can apply and get that card. Even if not that, you can get the select card as well. So these are all lifetime free cards, and IDFC provides a very crucial benefit of roadside assistance with all these cards. That is the most important thing, that you should have a IDFC card, because in case of emergency this will help you out a lot. And it comes with the Diamond Reserve card as well. Now for the first time you hear it, you can understand that they want to pitch it as a very cool card. It's a very high-end card. It has Diamond and Reserve together in a card, but believe me, things are not like this. So let's talk about the annual fee. So initially the joining fees is 3,000 plus GST, and it is waived off at 6 lakh of annual spends. So when we directly compare it with the competitor cards, we have Access Horizon for the same benefits, which gives you an initial value of 10,000 against the card fees. You have HDFC's Marriott Bonvoy card. Again, it gives you a full night of stay at a 5-star rather than giving you this. And you have the Regalia Gold at 2,500. So very solid cards are available on this platform, and even their own Ashwa card is a better proposition, at least at the start. So if you see let's talk about the Ashwa card. It again come in a value of 2,999 and annual fees of 2,999 plus GST. However, you don't get any joining benefit as of now, apart from the 7,500 rewards which you get worth up to rupees 3,000 when you travel it, when you redeem it on their website. So still it is a better proposition as of now compared to this Diamond Reserve card. So let's talk about what are the benefits you get. Basically the travel benefits are a lot actually. You get free trip So you get complimentary airport and domestic lounge access, but everything has a terms and condition associated. You have zero forex markup, which is unconditional. Free trip cancellation cover worth 2,500 on non-refundable flights and hotels, which is a good thing. You have to use this card. You have interest-free global ATM cash withdrawals without interest, but it costs flat 199 plus GST. That's 235 rupees. Complimentary one service of meet and greet and 10% on the rest. So this is one thing which you don't get in most of the other cards. Like complimentary one service a year is a good thing. I think it comes from the Visa Infinite platform. We are going to see about that. Plus you get domestic airport transfers from the Visa Infinite platform, and the railway lounge access, that is 4. The speed is too much. Then you get hotel worldwide privileges. As you can see over here, we'll see in the details. Curated dining deals, complimentary 2 golf tickets per month, but that's a spend based. Like 40,000 you have to spend 20,000 for the first round, and for 20,000 for the second. Then you have buy one get one on district app for rupees 250. You have third night stay for every 2 paid nights at ITC hotels. You have a third night free stay at Elivas luxury villas. Hotel privileges, security dining. So these are all the things. Now the base reward is up to 10 reward points per every 150 spend, which is actually low, because normally you get 10% value back on the travel bookings through the IDFC app. But this 10 reward points, the total value comes out to be only 2 rupees 50 paisa per 150. So that is not even, actually speaking, that is not even 2%. But that is not the bad part. The bad part is this is activated only after the 20,000 initial spend. And points never expire. You get a 500 rupees gift voucher from leading brand and 5% cashback on EMI as a welcome benefit. Fuel surcharge waiver up to rupees 300 on 1% of fuel. You have a dynamic interest rate of starting from 8.5. Fuel surcharge waiver of rupees 300. Air accident, personal accident and travel insurance. Roadside assistance is a must. Like everybody should have an IDFC card for the same. And you have brand vouchers and other things. So if we go in details now, we are going to see what the best things are about this card. So here is a basic PDF which you can see over here. The first thing is 500 rupees voucher you get as a welcome benefit. So still the fees is somewhere around 3000 including everything, but you have to spend 5000 within the 30 days to get this 500 rupees voucher. First of all, again, not that good in terms of the things, because Ashwa card will give you a metal card and 3000 rupees worth of benefit, and the other two cards in a different league like Horizon and your this one, the Marriott Bonvoy card. So again, they both are in a different league of its own. So 10 reward points will be eligible on anything spending over to 20,000. Up to 20,000 you get 3 reward points worth 0.75. So the return is 0.5% till 20,000 per month, and you basically get 3 reward points for rent, government, wallet load and education, 1 reward point for insurance and utilities. Reward points earned are rupees 150, and no reward points on these following transactions which you can see. Then there is a first digital credit card which is on RuPay, where you get 3 reward points for transaction above 2000, 1 reward points for transaction values up to 2000. Again, not worth it. Then you have 1 reward points value at 25 paisa. Accelerated bonus we get on flights, we get 50 reward points, which is basically the value comes out to be 12 rupees 50 paisa per 150. That is not that much actually. It's and for flights it's 20 reward points per 150. That comes out to be, the value is only 5 rupees. The total bonus that can be earned in a month is 8,000. So you can see the calculation, for 6,000 rupees of travel booking you get on flights you get 2,400, on hotels on flight you get 1,200, and this is what you get. 60 reward points per 150 on hotels and 30 reward points per 150 on flight. But you will say, Professor, what about this? So this is basically when you spend on the travel portal, you get 10 the accelerated reward points as well for the base eligible transaction. So that is basically 30 reward points, that is 15 rupees worth, so 10%, and 30 reward points on flights, so that is 10 rupees 50 paisa. That comes out to be 5% in return. Again, it is assuming that 20,000 of eligible criteria things have been made. Otherwise, you will not get 10 reward points. You will get 3 reward points only. You get Book My Show, like your district apps, buy one get one offer on this card up to rupees 250 for 2 cards. You have airport lounge access for 2 complimentary visits, but you have to, it's a spend based criteria, so 20,000 you have to spend. And then you have global lounge access as well with partnership from DreamFolks. So again, you will get a DreamFolks card with it for the international benefit. Then railway lounge benefit, 4 complimentary visit per quarter in the participating railway lounges. Again, it is based on a spend based criteria of rupees 2,000 in the last month. Apart from that, you get a roadside assistance, which is the best thing this card has to offer as of now. I think I'll not go without an IDFC card just because of this feature. It has saved me, and I'm going to share the things as soon as things are covered. Apart from that, you have 2 golf rounds you can do every month, but you have to spend 40,000 rupees for that. So for first 20 you get 1 golf game, and the second 20 you get another golf game. So all in all, you have a trip cancellation cover which will be making you eligible for returns of rupees 25,000 on flights and hotel bookings. And the issuance is the policy issuance between 8th May this year to 7th May of next year. Claim intimation process is given. You can use it if you are interested and if you use this card. Then there are some insurances available. And finally, at the end of the day, let me be very clear on this. This card is not that good. Apart from, there is nothing actually where I'm going to recommend you this card, because of a simple reason. The similar benefits you can get for using the IDFC Wealth card, IDFC Select card, and you don't have to pay the 3,000 rupees of FTPs. You don't get anything in return for this card. For the 3,000 rupees, you can get a Horizon card, which will give you a benefit of rupees 10,000 for the first year as a joining benefit. you can go for the HDFC Marriott Bonvoy card, both of which is link I'll put in the description. If you're interested, you can go and just apply. And if you want to get an IDFC card, you should definitely consider getting the lifetime free IDFC card, or even the Ashwa card, which comes at the same price, but you get higher reward points value at 40 paisa when you redeem through their benefit. You get reward points up to rupees 7,500, because when you pay the joining fees, you get 2,500. You spend 20,000 in your second statement cycle, you get 2,500, and you spend 20,000 in your third, and you get again 2,500. So 7,500. And this card, when you use this card, the simple thing is that when you use the app, so each points value will be 40 paisa, so 7,500's value will be on the higher side. So basically you will get 3,000 rupees worth of value, which is equivalent to the fees of this card, and you get annual benefit when you spend 8 lakh on this card. So annually it is not that good, but for the initial part it is good. You have 1% of forex as well. You get 60 reward points with better value when you use this card. Again, I'll any day recommend this card. Actually, this is one of the better cards to have in the IDFC lineup, because you get higher benefits on movie, you get premium golf privileges, you get better fuel surcharge waiver, and you get all the visa benefits of free stay at ITC, free stay of Elivas, airport meet and greet, dining discounts, transfers. So everything is same except you get better benefits. So if you are interested in this card, go for the Ashwa card. You get a metal card as well. So I hope you guys like this video. We have just uploaded the HDFC's latest Chindi Chori, not Chindi Chori, but 18 lakh devaluation for the Infinia card on our Hindi channel. If you have not seen that, I'll really recommend you to do that. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope you guys are fun. Take care. Bye bye. See you. And the links are in the description. Bye bye. See you and Jai Hind.